Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss JEE Mains 25/1/2023 morning shift paper. So the first question is, intermediate formed when phenol is prepared from cumin. So this is direct question from NCERT. So cumin is nothing but isopropyl benzene. Cumin over oxygen, we get cumin hydroperoxide. So it contains peroxy bond. Over hydrolysis of cumin hydroperoxide, you will get phenol plus acetone. So our answer is cumin hydroperoxide, which is this. So the answer is B. So maybe options might mismatch. The answer will be cumin hydroperoxide. Coming to the second question, which is also very basic question. The number of lone pair of electrons present in oxygen in O3. So O3 molecule resonating structure will be like this. If oxygen is connecting with a triple bond, there will be one lone pair and the another lone pair might participate in a coordinate covalent bond. So there are two lone pair of electrons over terminal atoms and there is one lone pair of electron at central atom, and this is having two lone pair electrons, so that this will be having positive charge. Sorry, this is having three lone pair of electrons. This will be having negative charge. So because it is coordinate covalent bond. So anyhow, the total number of lone pair of electrons in oxygen molecule in O3 is oxygen atom in O3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the answer is 6. Coming to next question, which of the following give flame test? So strontium, barium, calcium and all of the above. So strontium, all three are three ready to give color. So strontium will give strontium will give crimson red, and calcium will give brick red, and barium will give apple green. So apple green, brick red, and the another one is strontium will give crimson red. So our answer is all the above. And what is the correct order of electron gain enthalpy of noble gases? So it's direct remembering based only. So the answer will be neon is greater than argon is equals to krypton, which is greater than xenon and helium. So coming to the next question, if X atoms are present at alternate corners, so X is present at corners, that to alternate positions, and it also present at center of the body, and then Y atoms are present at 1/3 of phase centers. What will be the empirical formula? So just we can see X is present at corners. So every corner atom shares 1/8 portion of that atom. So that 4 into 1 by 8 plus 1, which is equals to 3 by 2. So y will be 1 by third of face centers. So that 1 by 3 into each face, total faces 6, and each face will be half of the atom. So that 6 into 1 by 2, which is equals to 1. So the conclusion is x is 3 by 2 and y is 1. So this can be written as y3, x3, y2. This itself empirical as well as molecular formula, because it is x3, y2. Hope it is clear. Coming to the next question, volume of 1.2 kg of liter, 1.2 kg per liter solution of monobasic acid. It's monobasic acid means it can donate 1 H plus ion, needed to neutralize 25 ml of 0.24 m NaOH. So this is just M1V1 equals to M2V2 based. So here acid values are, base values are 25 ml into 0.25, 24 is equals to, so it is 1.2 kg per liter. So that we are taking 1.2 into 1000 into volume by 24.2 into 1000. So you will get V is equals to 24.2 into 6 by 1.2, which is equals to 121 ml. So the answer is C. And coming to the next question, T half is 30 minutes. Find the time required to complete 75% of the reaction. So this belongs to first order only. First order reaction is specified in the question. So when T half, T 50% is, or 2 T halves is equals to T 75%. So that direct formula you can use. So 2 into 30, which is equals to 60 minutes. So the answer is 60 minutes. So this is shortcut formula for finding T 75% with the help of T half. Coming to the next one, among the following, which are paramagnetic in nature? It's also a very simple question. So just we have to write the electronic configuration of everything. So titanium, atomic number of titanium will be 22. So electronic configuration argon 3d2. And next is nickel. Nickel configuration is argon. Nickel is +2 form, right? Sorry. It's just we have to take out electrons. Yeah, this is correct only. So it will be having 3 nickel atomic number 28. 28 if you remove it is 8. So similarly Cr +3 atomic number argon. Resultant configuration I am writing. So 4s1 3d5. From that if you remove 3 electrons you will get 3d3. So similarly vanadium +3. So here argon 3d1. So if you see here, So just you can see the electronic configuration according to Hunt's rule. So we can write it. 3d2 means just electrons will be like this. 2 electrons in 3d orbital. So it is having unpaired electrons. So paramagnetic. So similarly, here it contains 8 electrons. So 8 electrons can be written like this. Two unpaired electrons are here. So next one is this 3d3. So here also this 3 unpaired electrons are there. Here 1 unpaired electron is there. Sorry, here 4s2 argon, 4s2 scandium, titanium, vanadium. So 3d3 in that we are removing 3 electrons from this so that it will be having 2 electrons. So it is also paramagnetic. Yeah. So all will be having paramagnetic in nature. Coming to the next question, bromination. So for this, if you do bromination, so the bromine attacks ortho position with respect to CH3 because para position is already blocked with NO2. So whenever we do bromination, bromine is added here. And over this, if you do reduction, just if you do reduction, they're not specified which reagent have to use. Any reagent can be used and make NO2 converts to NH2. So further on, like here, reducing agents can be used SN plus HCl or Fe plus HCl. Among them, SN plus HCl is better reducing agent. So after this, we have to do diazotization. So which is nothing but N as a diazonium preparation. So NNO2 plus HCl or HONO. This gives benzene diazonium chloride since it is having substituents. So substituents we can write like this. N2 plus X minus or Cl minus. Now further H3PO3 if we use. So just you can either ethanol or H3PO2 if we use. It will be converted into benzene or substituted benzene, which is this. So CH3 Br and over KMNO4 which undergoes strong oxidation and gives bromobenzoic acid. So this is the answer. So orthobromobenzoic acid is the product. Hope it is clear. Now coming to the next question, which is this SOCl2, which is thionyl chloride, on reaction with P4, that is white phosphorus, gives compound A. A on hydrolysis gives compound B, which is dibasic, and identify A and B. So here white phosphorus is P4. When it react with Cl2, generally we will get PCl3. Depends on the amount of Cl, even it gives PCl5. So here we are taking PCl3. So this PCl3 is also prepared from SOCl. That's what thionyl chloride. So when white phosphorus react with SOCl2, we'll get PCl3 plus SO2 plus S2Cl2. So we got PCl3 as a product. So PCl3, whenever it react with moisture or water, it will give respective acid, which is H3PO3 and HCl, which is 3HCl. So this is the our answer along with the PCl3. So what will be the answer here? PCl3 and H3PO3. So the next question, compare basic strength. It's a very basic question. So in aqueous medium, the basicity order of methylamines will be like this. So secondary is greater than, and primary is greater than, tertiary is greater than ammonia. So this is the answer for the for this question. So here just based on solvation or hydrogen bond formation or stability of conjugate acid or steric crowd, all factors can be explained for this answer. So coming to the next one, which is less reactive towards SN reactions. So the SN reactions are directly proportional to nucleophilic minus groups like minus I, minus R, minus M groups. So the one whichever is having less electronegative groups are less reactive. So here one condition you have to understand, when NO2 present at ortho or para positions, this will be having both effects, minus R, minus I or minus M. But whenever it is present at our meta position, it is having only inductive effect, so that minus I. So you can see except this option, remaining all options are having ortho and para NO2 groups, or para or ortho only. So however it is, the highly reactive is this one, the least reactive is this one, but our answer is C, since they asked least reactive one. So coming to next one, number of paramagnetic species among the following. So here paramagnetic species are just you can use VBT theory to find out. So you can see the four molecules or four coordination complexes are paramagnetic in nature. So that is NiCN4, NiCl4, and FeCN6. This is having which one? Minus 2 plus 2 oxidation state, and FeCN6 minus 3. This is basic board level question. Many things are just like board level questions only. CuCl6 and minus 4. Sorry, it is CuCl4, right? And CuH2O4 plus 2. So these molecules are paramagnetic in nature. So you can see the total 4 molecules having paramagnetic in nature. So coming to the next one, N-heptane, just like identify A and B among the following. The question is, so in this case, N-heptane is converted into A and which is also converted into B. Actually, the options are having all reagents. The series of options which can be suitable for this conversion they asked. So I did not write options here. just we can see the overall equation. So N-heptane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So N-heptane, whenever it reacts with Al2O3 or Cr2O3, the process name is called aromatization. So this can be converted into toluene. So non-aromatic or non-cyclic form converted into aromatic compound over this reagent. This is a hydrocarbon chapter question. So this, when it reacts with the chromyl chloride test, which is CrO2Cl2 and CS2 or H3O plus, what you will get? You will get benzaldehyde, which is also called Itard's reaction. So this can be converted into Cannizzaro reaction whenever we supply 50% NaOH or strong alkaline medium. After hydrolysis, just to undergo disproportionation reaction, the Cannizzaro reaction, and converted into both acid as well as alcohol. So that our answer will be respective reagents. First one aromatization, second one this is chromyl chloride test or Itard's reaction, and this is Cannizzaro reaction. So respective reagents you have to select. And coming to the next question is based on Nernst equation. So here just substitution alone we have to do. So we know that Nernst equation E cell is equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by n value. N value in this case just 2, right? So 2 you can take for n value. So which is number of electron transferred during the process. So log products by reactants. So this, if you simplify it, like they given every value, E cell value given as 0.712 and E naught cell value is 0.771 minus 0.0591 divided by 2 log products by reactants. So this can simplify 0.0591 is equals to minus 0.059 by 2. This gets cancelled, so log product by reactant. So the conclusion is what? You will get 2. So 2 equals to this ratio. So our answer is just this. 2 is the answer. So these are the questions. This is just based on memory. So thank you. That is about today's morning shift paper. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.